Ethereum. How to safely create stable and long-term passive income by investing in Ethereum. The Digital Currency Era. Book 3. Written by Anthony Heston. Narrated by Sam Slidell. Introduction. Other than setting records, Ether is a valuable cryptocurrency with a lot of potential in the next years, with an industrial and intrinsic value. Among the chapters that you will find in this book are an introduction to Ether and Ethereum, concerns about investing in Ethereum, understanding the Ethereum architecture, Ethereum's entrepreneurial ecosystem. Furthermore, this book will fill you in on all the essentials about Ethereum. If you're hesitant about investing in the Ethereum platform, the information inside will hopefully help clarify matters for you. And you're also able to discover and understand how to safely invest in Ethereum in a step-by-step manner. If you're bothered by concerns that it's too late to invest in Ether and the Ethereum platform, know that it's not. It's not too late, and in fact, it's rather early to invest in Ether since it hasn't even come near mainstream adoption, unlike other cryptocurrencies, e.g., Bitcoin and Litecoin. JP Morgan, Microsoft, Samsung, and Intel are just but a few Fortune 500 companies that are in the process of exploring Ethereum. And since it hasn't reached its maximum growth capacity yet, it is continuing to grow exponentially. According to analysts who calculated its value using astronomical analyst systems and calculus and a complex method called Gann square, Ether was seen with a 5,000% increase just within a year, and it still has plenty of potential to grow even further. And thus, this is one of the best points where it would be ideal to take advantage of Ether's current price. Based on Ether's transaction growth chart, its price will keep on increasing. So allotting money on Ether and the Ethereum platform, then committing to hold the position for several years, is likely a financially rewarding move. Chapter 1. Ethereum, the Future of Digital Payments. In 2013, a man named Vitalik Buterin was looking at a lineup of science fiction elements. Then a particular word seemed to sound more interesting than the rest. It captured his interest since it contains another word, ether, that he fancies. This word was Ethereum, and this man became the founder of a blockchain-based platform, as well as a high-potential cryptocurrency. What is Ethereum? Ethereum, based on blockchain technology, is an open platform that grants the authority to build, then deploy, over a dApp, or a decentralized application, to developers. With a hash rate value, at its peak, of 3 terahash, or 3010 gigahertz per second, it has a large infrastructure. Its developers, led by Vitalik Buterin, with assistance from Charles Hoskinson, Anthony Delorio, and Mihai Alisi, designed it for high-end GPUs, or graphics processing units. And since it runs on blockchain networks, it also comes with the advantages of decentralized networks, such as 0% downtime, or the inability of apps to be switched off or go down, security, or the protection against fraudulent activities, immutability, or the inability of a third party to modify data. Initially, the Ethereum platform's distribution was done via a public blockchain network in an ICO, or initial coin offering, form, during which about 35,000 bitcoins were exchanged for about 60 million. This allowed almost $14 million to be raised, which consequently garnered 14% of supply. Furthermore, Ethereum's distribution continues to be done via a public blockchain network, and this public blockchain network works alongside the distribution of the Ethereum platform's cryptocurrency tokens, called Ether, with code ETH. User accounts. In the Ethereum platform, a blockchain features blocks of various sizes. Alongside, there are various types of user accounts that come with 20-byte addresses. The two
Sample complete. Ready to continue?